Hi viewers, welcome to OMA Software Engineer. Okay, in this video, we will learn about how to download Java JDK. Okay, for that, you need to open google.com in any browser. Okay, just in search box, you have to type download JDK. Okay, now press enter. So you will find one website, that is oracle.com. This one. Okay, you have to click on downloads. Okay, then there will be different options will be there. You have to select Java downloads. So inside that there will be a updated version will be there. Okay, so I'm like creating this video on 1st of January 2023. Okay, so now the updated version of Java is 19. Okay, so I'm trying to download Java 19. Okay, better to download Java 19 only, the latest one. Okay, now from this section, you have to select your operating system. If you are using Linux operating system, then you can download from this list. Okay, if you are using a MacBook, then you have to download this one. Okay, so my operating system is Windows, then I'm going to download this one. Okay, just click on this. Sometimes so I have already logged into the Oracle website. Okay, if you don't have a registered account with Oracle, then please do sign up with the oracle.com. Then only you can able to download the JDK from the Oracle website. Okay, so just click on this. After login, you have to click on this one. Okay, then it will start automatically downloading. Okay, and sometimes it will appear one small pop-up window. So there will be a one small checkbox. So you have to agree their terms and conditions. Then only the Oracle team will allow to download JDK. Okay, so you have to check on that checkbox, and then you will be having one download option will be there. One button will be, you have to click on that. Okay, then download will start automatically. And here is the the downloaded JDK. Okay, so let meets in next videos. Then I will teach you about how to install JDK, and after that how to set Java home. Thank you guys.